promise you've stopped scrolling for videos like this before. An empty room suddenly transforms into a luxury room. The camera starts moving, the furniture appears. Everything looks like it was filmed by a professional crew. But here's the crazy part. None of it is real. It's all created with AI, and today I'll show you exactly how to make it yourself using VideoTour.AI. Let's stage an empty $800,000 home for free. First, head to the top left corner and click Create a Video Tour. Once you click it, you'll see a screen like this. In the middle, you can either browse your photos or simply drag and drop them. One of the best things about VideoTour.AI is that it can turn up to 60 photos into a smooth animated video in just seconds. For this demo, I only have 2 photos, so I'll just drag and drop them here. Now let's wait a few seconds while the images are processing. Meanwhile, let's explore some of the other options. At the bottom, you'll find the Video Settings panel. Here you'll see options like background music, voiceover, AI avatar, and much more. Every option is completely customizable. You can turn them on if you need them, or simply disable them if you don't. One feature I really like is the royalty-free YouTube music. It helps protect your videos from copyright claims. You can also choose from trending songs or browse different music styles to match the mood of your video. Right below that, you'll find the aspect ratio settings, allowing you to create videos for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or any platform you want. Once everything looks good, click Generate My Video Tour. It will now process your images and automatically create a beautifully animated property video. It's a super fast way to showcase a property to your clients. But we're not done yet. Right now, the AI has only animated our photos. Let's make the interior look even better. Open the generated video, move your cursor over it, and you'll see several options. Click AI Staging. Inside AI Staging, you'll find a huge collection of templates. There are tons of interior styles to choose from depending on your needs. For this example, I'll select Furnish Empty Room. Then I'll choose Living Room, and finally Traditional as the interior style. Below that, you'll notice 2 transformation options. One automatically transforms the room, while the other lets you add people and extra elements for a more realistic result. I'll show you both. First, let's use the automatic option. Select it and click Generate AI Staging Video. Now it'll process everything for a few seconds. And here's the result. If you want to save the video, simply open it, click the 3 dots, and press download. That's it, the video is saved directly to your computer. Now let's try the second option. This time, I'll change the style from traditional to modern farmhouse. And enable the human time-lapse option. Then you can click Generate AI Staging Video again. After a few moments, look at that! The room now has a completely different feel, and adding people makes it look much more natural and realistic. If you want to download this version, just repeat the same process, click the 3 dots and hit Download. Finally, on the right side, click Apply Changes to update your final video with the new AI staging. And that's how easy it is to create professional-looking property videos with VideoTour.AI. If you also want to create amazing videos like this for your clients or even for your own projects, check the link in the description below. You'll get free access to create your very first video.